Kindness is not just a virtue, it's a force that transforms lives. Imagine a world where every act of compassion ripples outward, changing destinies. 20 years ago, as a cab driver, I learned this truth in the quiet hours before dawn. Most would honk and drive away, but I chose to knock on the door. Behind it stood a frail woman in her 80s, her eyes filled with stories and sorrow. She needed more than a ride. She needed a moment of humanity. That night, I drove her through the city as if time had paused. She pointed to buildings where memories lived. Her first job, her newlywed home, a ballroom where she once danced. In the rearview mirror, I saw tears glisten under streetlights. "I'm on my way to a hospice," she whispered. Without hesitation, I turned off the meter. For 2 hours, we wandered through her past. And in those moments, I realized, kindness isn't an act, it's a legacy. At dawn, she said, "I'm ready." The hospice staff awaited her. As I carried her suitcase, she asked, "How much do I owe you?" "Nothing," I replied. She hugged me tightly and said, "You gave an old woman a little joy." That day, I understood the weight of our choices. What if I'd been impatient? What if I'd driven away? The greatest things we do are often the simplest. Showing up, listening, choosing empathy over indifference. Life will give you reasons to harden your heart, betrayal, injustice, pain. But hate corrodes the vessel that carries it. Kindness, however, heals wounds we cannot see. A single word, "I believe in you," can reignite a broken spirit. A compliment, "You look beautiful today," can mend invisible scars. We never know the battles others fight, but we hold the power to light their way. Years later, I met Bo, a loner who never spoke. For months, I greeted him, "Great to see you today." He never replied, just tapped his chest twice. Decades passed before he found me again. "Those words kept me alive," he said. Today he's a father, a husband, a man rebuilt by small acts of kindness. No one crosses your path by accident. Speak life. Choose tenderness. The world needs your light.